G'day guys, how are you? It's Jai here from Bosky Motorsports. Just wanted to run you through our LS by BMS range. We've touched base on it before, but I just wanted to go into it a little bit more in depth about the quality of our products and what's going on. Hang on, I've got someone coming through the door, Jason.
Oh, sorry guys. I didn't know you're doing this today.
Yeah, no, just in the middle of doing it now, Rick. Hey, but while you're here, you might as well jump in and then let these people know why we went the way we did with this LS products, because our products do stand out that little bit more to what's on the market at the moment, and at the price point it is, I don't want to scare our customers to thinking that it's a cheap product. I want them to actually know that it's a quality product with minimum margin. So if you just want to tell the people why we went this way, that'd be fantastic.
Well, reason being, when we first got these manifolds, we found a lot of fault in them. We had a lot of complaints when we first got them in. Mainly was the material was too light, because on a turbo application, every time the engine breathes, the top plate here would actually buckle. So I came up with this idea. I said, well, can we actually make the material a bit thicker? So we come up with a 3mm thickness of plate, which eliminated that problem.
So our plenums won't buckle anymore when they're under a decent sort of boost. Correct. So people can put these onto their LS, whether it's an LS1 or an LS3 or whatever they choose to do. They can put ample amount of boost in there and be confident that this isn't going to buckle and turn into something that's basically a waste of money. They can have peace of mind that they're getting a good product with something that's got rigidity, strength, and it's being TIG welded and put together by people that know what they're doing. So I'm pretty happy to actually know that that's got a 3mm top. That's excellent.
And the only other thing, Jai, what we did notice, I used a bit of old 70s technology because I'm now 56. I'm having a birthday next month, so just remember that. But
you look like you've done
the old Hillburn injection I looked at back in the 70s was the trumpet effect, and they used to have the runner was actually cut off level at the top. So I asked the manufacturer, can we actually flare the top so we get a better fuel-air mixture? And by doing that, we actually seen the horsepower in these. The kilowatt rating went from, what was, I think it was about, depending on the application, but it was around about 80 kilowatt extra, the gentleman that actually put this on, that he achieved. And it wasn't anything that he'd done to the heads or cam or anything like that. So we got a fairly good result. And another thing that was very important to me was for the end user, the customer, to get something that's very economical, that was under $1,000, and can give him the horsepower.
And when Rick says for under $1,000, what we're talking about there is your total package. So for that money, you're going to get your throttle body, your cable bracket, your gaskets, you get your intake manifold, as well as that comes with your fuel rails, your braided hose at the end, and everything else that you need to put it on there. So we can send you the whole kit out. You can put it on in a weekend, see some performance gains, take it to your local dyno, do whatever else you need to do. We also have the dual intake manifold here. So if you want to go to a carburetor application, there's a fabricated intake here with a nice plenum once again. You can see inside it's all TIG welded, and we can put dual 4150s onto that intake manifold. So as you can see, all quality parts, but jump online on our website, www.bmsautoparts.com. We're happy to take a call on the phone if you need some advice or some assistance on 1300 021 817, and hopefully talk to you soon and see some of these lovely products on your LS out there. Have a good weekend. See you guys.